Vitamins are a relatively new discovery dating back to the early 1900s. The word vitamin itself means vital to life. The purpose of this video presentation is to provide a broad overview of vitamins, including their functions, absorption, bioavailability, and where to find vitamins in the food supply. As vitamins and minerals are needed in such a tiny amount, usually micrograms, milligrams, or grams, they are termed the micronutrients. Vitamins are individual units, not molecules linked together as we see in the macronutrients. Vitamins do not yield usable energy, meaning that they do not contain any calories, but they do function in energy metabolism. And so they are needed in the release of the energy or calories from the nutrients. Vitamins have traditionally been assigned to two groups based on their solubility in water or fat. The water-soluble vitamins include the B complex and vitamin C. The fat-soluble vitamins include vitamins A, D, E, and K. This classification allows for generalizations to be made about how the vitamins are absorbed, transported, excreted, and stored. As water-soluble vitamins are not stored in the body, the RDA is needed daily as the excess is excreted. Additionally, since they are not stored, deficiency symptoms tend to appear more quickly with a lower risk for toxicity. Many of the B vitamins have a coenzyme form that assists with energy metabolism. For example, niacin's coenzyme form of NAD and NADH are critical in glucose metabolism. As you might expect, the water-soluble vitamins are absorbed in the same pathway as other water-soluble nutrients. As the fat-soluble vitamins are stored by the body or have a provitamin form, the RDA is not necessarily needed to be consumed daily. With this, deficiency symptoms appear less quickly, but the toxicity risk is higher. Whereas water-soluble vitamins could have a coenzyme form, vitamins A and D have an inactive provitamin or vitamin precursor forms that must be converted into active forms by the body. For example, cholesterol is the precursor or provitamin form for vitamin D, and beta-carotene is the precursor of vitamin A. Each vitamin has one or more functions, and many have complementary roles in supporting our health. Figure 7.6 on page 176 in your textbook highlights the various functions, including serving as antioxidants, promoting a healthy immune function, assisting with growth and development, supporting protein and amino acid metabolism, maintaining bone and blood health, and supporting ATP production from the three energy-yielding macronutrients. Vitamins must be absorbed by the body in order to perform their functions. The bioavailability is the extent to which the body can absorb and use a nutrient. If you will follow along with me, this is figure 7.4 in your textbook. At this point, I just want to highlight steps 5 and 6. In the small intestine, fat-soluble vitamins are incorporated into the micelle and absorbed by simple diffusion. Inside the mucosal cells, they are packaged in the chylomicron and enter the lymph system via a lacteal. The water-soluble vitamins are absorbed from the small intestine directly into the bloodstream. Many are absorbed via active transport, meaning that their absorption will require energy and a protein transport molecule. To meet our vitamin needs, we can look to My Plate in the food label. This visual highlights that vitamins are found throughout the food supply, with not one food group meeting all of the vitamin needs. This is an example of which diet planning principle? If you said variety, you are correct. With the new Nutrition Facts panel, only vitamin D is included on the label now because as Americans we tend to be deficient in vitamin D. A question that I am asked frequently is, which is best, fresh, canned, or frozen fruits and vegetables? My answer many times is purchase the food that you think you will eat, because that is what is most important. However, let's spend a moment chatting about a few of the details. So heat, light, air, and the passage of time can all cause foods to lose their nutrients. Additionally, cooking affects the nutritional value as well. For example, the vitamin B complex and vitamin C are less stable. So boiling vegetables that are rich in the B complex and vitamin C, much of those vitamins will be lost in the cooking water. When purchasing canned or frozen vegetables, be sure to check out the sodium content. When purchasing canned or frozen fruits, be sure to check out if the fruit is packed in a sugar syrup. It's best if we select canned or frozen fruits that are packed in the natural juice. Checking the Nutrition Facts panel for the sodium and added sugar content will help you to answer these questions and assist you in which vitamin or which fruit or vegetable would be best for you. As we close out this quick overview of vitamins, please take a minute to list the water and fat-soluble vitamins.